first thing first, this bag has several compartments. Over here is my little house shoes, just some loungewear, and these are different clothing in each section. This one is the winter clothing for Washington State, and this one is like the same thing, Washington State winter clothing, because it's bigger, bulkier clothing. And now over here on this side is the different compartments. It's an extra towel because I was staying at someone's house. I didn't know they had extra towels. This one has shoes. This one has 3 different shoes: my sneakers, my sandals, and my blue flats. This one is clothing for Los Angeles, California, a warmer weather location. Over here, this is my toiletries. This is where I brush my teeth, bathe, everything. This is my toiletries section. This was my makeup. So that's it. This is for 7 days. So far we are on day 3. Yes, day 3 in Washington. We're leaving today. We're flying over to Los Angeles, California. So I am done wearing these clothing here, the bulkier, heavier clothing. Now I am going to be wearing just clothing out of this pouch right here. This bag right here is super important. This bag is also my personal my personal bag. I can put it underneath my feet, or I can put it on top of the carry-on section as well. This section right here is my passport and ID. Since I'm just hopping from state to state, I don't really need a passport, but I bought it just in case. And I also have my ID here if it's faster in the airport. But this is my passport. In here I have more hand sanitizers. I have the spray on hand sanitizers. I keep this with me at all times. So I'm always spraying something down. You can never be too careful with COVID-19. This compartment has like more reading material. How successful people lead. And it also has my handmade alcohol wipes. If you want to see how I make those, I can also link a video. It's very easy. All you do is just add alcohol to the wipes, and that's it. And of course, more hand sanitizers, more wipes. You know, you're traveling, you can never be too careful. The bad quality air in the airplane, you may always need to blow your nose. And these are Clorox wipes. This one, I didn't make this one. This is definitely Clorox wipes. This one is very helpful for the airline seats. When you wipe them down, they are very important. If only you see the amount of filth I removed with these wipes on the airline seats. Even if it's COVID-19, you still see dirt and nastiness on those seats. And of course, more gloves. These are gloves. And more hand sanitizers. Once again, you can never be too careful. More hand sanitizers. Here on this compartment, it's just vitamins, nauseousness medication, and of course Advil for when you have headaches. I like to fly, but I'm always getting sick on these airplanes. I'm always feeling like I wanna vomit. These pills will help a lot. And these are vitamin C. Once again, you can never be too careful. Always get those vitamin C's up, especially when you're flying. And of course, for them headaches that pops up every time you're flying or every time you're driving somewhere, nauseousness, this helps Advil. Of course, chapstick, extra plugs for when you're in the airplane and you want to plug in those devices during those long flights. This helps a lot. And of course, when you want to sleep, keep that over your eyes. Some more pairs. That's about it. Oh, for your eyes, when your eyes get dry. Like I said, the airplane air is very dry. Now on this section here, this is my pouch for my hair. Just extra rubber bands and caps, flowers, hair gel, of course travel size, to do my edges. This one is when I work out. I'm always working out. This is my little pouch to carry with me when I'm working out. My blanket for the airplane. If it gets too cold, I have a blanket. And of course some more. This is like my drawers, my underwear. It couldn't fit in this bag, so I put it in here. In this section is my devices, books, extra books to read, because you never know what can happen while you're flying. You don't know if there will be layovers, and you will sit there for hours just sitting there waiting. So this is a book that I'm reading. Okay, this is my tablet. More books that I am reading. This is my laptop. I'm sorry. My laptop. Some study materials. It's good to read, good to study. Some journals. Writing materials. I'm always writing, always studying. Everywhere I'm going. This is my bag. Extra little bags. And more additional bag within a bag. Like I said, you can't be too careful. Glasses. Can never be too. Just extra things. Just, it don't fly around in your bag. So yeah. Of course, in an extra bottle, just an empty bottle. And this bottle, you can put water, you can put drinks, you can carry whatever you want in it. And now this bag, this is, for when you're resting your head in the airline. Of course, this is my snack bag. There's chips. I have guacamole. It's in the fridge downstairs. I have fresh fruits, grapes. I have cucumbers, slices, all of that downstairs in the fridge. I'm gonna add this here.